Hi, my name is Kathy and I'm a mother of 4. I've lived here in Wenatchee my whole life. I have worked with Alpine High for 15 plus years. They do a great job of scheduling with you. They're on top of it. They get ahead of their schedule and they let you know even the full year schedule in advance. We have them do our windows inside and out. Closer to the fall, they will do gutter cleaning and make sure all of our gutters are clean and ready for the winter. They do a great job of cleaning the windows, making sure they're crystal clean. I would recommend them to my friends and family for sure. They do such a good job of communication and they're clean cut. They're someone I would feel comfortable with leaving my house unlocked and them coming in and doing the job. They just do a great job of making sure the windows look as clean as I'm sure they would want their home to look like as well.